show you how to convert our new gas furnace platform from the standard upflow configuration to an upflow configuration using a left vent. So when you'll be venting out of the left side of the cabinet. So there are two parts you need out of the RX GY-CK kit, and that is the 2 5/8 inch plug and also the 2 3/8 inch pipe grommet. So these are the two parts that you'll use out of that kit. Our first step will be we're going to have to relocate the elbow here and the coupling. So we need to take this off and discard these two items. When you're going to remove this assembly here, it's very important, or makes life a lot easier, if you will go ahead and loosen all 4 of these hose clamps. Makes for easy removal of the coupling as well as the elbow. So we'll take all 4 of them loose. Get that out of the way. Once we do that, we simply pull this out and remove the elbow. We'll discard that. Now, you can use this hose here. This hose, I believe it is hose D. You can leave it attached or you can take it off, whichever makes your life easier. For this example, I left it on. It was not in the way, not hard to do at all. So, but make sure that you put that back on. If you when you get your furnace and you're looking at this, you'll notice that there's a airflow arrow right here that shows you that the airflow goes to the outside. This can be installed backwards, but the unit will not run properly and it's not advised. You need to make sure that you always have that arrow pointing towards the outside of the furnace. Once you have that back in place, go ahead and tighten this back up. Follow the instructions. In the installation instructions, we also show that you need a 10 to 20 degree angle for your system to drain properly. So make sure that you keep that angle in there so your furnace will drain properly. Now, after we get that done, we're going to pop out this plug on the side of the cabinet. That will be discarded, and then we will install the pipe grommet in the side of the jacket. Alright, once we have that in place, we need to put the the air intake in, so we need to pop out this plug down by the trap. We'll relocate this plug up to the top right hand corner to seal that off. And we will also use the plug that we took out of the accessory kit and plug the hole on the left side of the cabinet. Okay, now we've got that properly sealed, we'll go down here and install the air intake. The easiest way to do this is to take your fastener and put it on the inside, align it to the hole, and take your intake, bring it on the outside, and simply thread it in. Okay, now we have the air intake assembled. Now we're going to take care of the condensate trap and the bulkhead attachment. So the next thing we will do is to pop out this plug like we did in the previous exercise, and we will install the bulkhead. Take this out, we'll put the additional hose clamp on it to secure the tube. snug that up real nice. Get it good and tight. Put your hose clamp on. And that is it. We also have the alternate right side cabinet that we've shown in previous videos, so if you need to see that, please refer to one of the earlier videos. But you can see it's very simple, takes a very short amount of time.